Hi, everyone. Welcome to What Do You See? I'm Victoria.
And I'm Marcus. Happy to be here with you today.
As always. Okay, are you ready for today's picture?
Always ready. Let's do it.
Today we have a cozy kitchen scene. A woman is cooking breakfast, and there is a lot to see in this picture.
In this video, you and I are going to describe everything together. The person, what she is doing, and all the little details around her.
We will also learn new English words that you can use every day.
And at the end, we want to know something personal. How does this picture make you feel?
This is What Do You See? Okay, let's start with the person. Look at her carefully. Is there a man or a woman in the picture?
There is a woman.
Good. Is she young or old?
She is young.
What color is her hair?
Her hair is brown, and it is long.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a blue t-shirt, dark pants, and slippers.
Slippers. Very comfortable. Perfect for a morning at home.
Honestly, same. I wear slippers every morning.
Now, Marcus, where is she?
She is in the kitchen.
And what is she doing?
She is cooking. She is frying an egg.
What is she holding in her right hand?
She is holding a spatula.
And what is she holding in her left hand?
She is holding a white plate. She is ready to serve the egg.
Breakfast is almost ready. Now let's look at the stove. What is in the pan?
There is a fried egg in the pan.
And what else is on the stove?
There is also a pot on the left side of the stove.
What do you think is inside the pot?
Maybe soup. Or water for tea.
We don't know for sure, but breakfast is looking very complete. Now look to the left of the stove. What do you see on the counter?
There are wooden spoons and a spatula in a container.
Good. And what do you see on the shelf above?
There are many jars. They look like spices.
Yes, different spices for cooking. A kitchen needs good spices.
Absolutely. A kitchen without spices is a sad kitchen.
No question about it. Now let's look to the right side of the kitchen. What do you see on the counter?
I can see a toaster, a knife, and 2 slices of bread.
So breakfast is a fried egg and toast. Simple and delicious.
My favorite kind of breakfast, honestly.
And one last thing. Look at the right wall. What do you see?
There is a window.
What kind of light is coming through the window?
It is a soft blue light, like early morning.
Exactly. This is an early morning scene, peaceful and quiet.
The best time of day.
Excellent work, all of you. Let's keep going. Now let's look at some words from today's picture. Listen, repeat, and remember. The first word, spatula.
Spatula. She is holding a spatula. You use a spatula to flip eggs and pancakes. Spatula.
Next, frying.
Frying. She is frying an egg. Frying means cooking in a pan with oil or butter. Frying.
Now, slippers.
Slippers. She is wearing slippers. Slippers are soft shoes you wear at home. Slippers.
And this one, spices.
Spices. There are spices on the shelf. Spices give food more flavor. Salt, pepper, and garlic are spices. Spices.
And one more, pot.
Pot. There is a pot on the stove. You use a pot to cook soup, pasta, or boil water. Pot.
Simple words, but very useful every day, especially in the kitchen. Before we finish, look at the picture one more time. How does it make you feel?
For me, it feels calm. Like a quiet morning before the day gets busy. Just you, the kitchen, and breakfast.
For me, it feels warm, like home, like someone is taking care of the people they love.
Maybe it reminds you of your mom or your own mornings at home.
There is no wrong answer. Write it in the comments. Just one word or one sentence. How does this picture make you feel?
Great job today, What Do You See family? You described a whole kitchen scene in English.
If this video helped you, share it with someone who is learning English too.
And don't forget, write your sentence in the comments. We read every single one.
This is What Do You See? See you in the next picture.